Lost game progress in Monopoly Go? No worries, in this quick guide I'll show you how to restore your game progress and get back in the Monopoly Go action. Restoring lost game progress involves a few key steps. Start by checking if the game offers a cloud save or backup feature within its settings. If so, log in with the same account you used previously and sync your data. In the absence of a cloud save option, or if the issue persists, reach out to game's customer support and provide them with the detailed information about your account, including your usernames, levels, and any relevant purchase history associated with your lost progress. When contacting support, include the timestamps of when you last played the game and when you noticed the progress loss. This additional detail aids in their investigation and helps pinpoint the issue more effectively. Additionally, ensure you are using the correct login credentials associated with your gaming account. Double-check usernames, emails, or other identifiers linked to your account. While waiting for support to respond, be patient and consider updating the game to the latest version. Developers frequently release updates to address bugs or glitches, including those related to lost progress. Check your device settings as well. Ensure they allow the game to save data properly. Sometimes, restrictive device settings or low storage can impact the game's ability to retain progress. By following these steps and providing comprehensive information to the support team, you enhance the likelihood of recovering lost game progress in Monopoly Go. If all else fails, the support team can offer personalized assistance based on your account details.